am I doing these days for my hair? For oiling purpose, I am taking a little amount of desi ghee, purely homemade. I mix it with argan oil. Okay, this argan oil is extremely pure, so you can mix both of them and then I apply it on my hair. And I'll show you the results in. This is the argan oil, and I'm just using a little bit because मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा हैं तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. And the same mixture of desi ghee and argan oil I can apply it on my skin as well. इससे skin भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है, बाल भी बहुत अच्छे हो जाते हैं. Okay, done. We'll mix everything together. Done. अभी क्या करना है? This oil is extremely good for your skin as well, so we will be applying it on the skin also. ये अच्छे से mix हो गया है. Now just take it and dab it on your palm and start applying on your skin. This is extremely good for your skin. And then you can do a massage. Wow, I don't have any acne on my skin. It's completely clear, and that is the result of using desi ghee. Actually, recently I started using foundation, तो उसकी वजह से ना छोटे दाने sort of निकल जाते हैं, तो मेरे को वो सूट नहीं करता. I don't know why my skin is so stupid, sensitive kind of. तो वो नहीं झेल पाते foundation and all, इसलिए I avoid doing makeup a lot. Just when it's very necessary, only then I use it. Okay. Yeah. So how's it? Done. You can use it. Yes. Hands. This gives nourishment to your skin, and this nourishment is needed. It is needed. That should be done. Yeah, like this. And then you can just wash your hair, wash your face. You can take a bath. Was it nice now? And now you can just look into the mirror and massage it nicely. Like that. And after you are done with applying oil and all, keep it for 15 minutes or so, 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can go and take a bath. Okay? I'll show you. I'll just wash it off and then what's the outcome. Done. Bye. I've washed my face. Hair are also washed. देखा कितनी अच्छी स्मूथ स्किन हो जाती है इससे, मॉइस्चराइज्ड हो जाती है. नो एक्नेस, नथिंग. कुछ इन्फेक्शन सॉर्ट ऑफ होगा तो वो भी ठीक हो जाता है. कैन सी I don't need makeups and I don't need anything else. Just clear and crystal skin. बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स होते हैं आर्गन ऑयल के ना. सर्च कर लेना गूगल पे. लाइक इट मॉइस्चराइजेज योर स्किन, एक्नेस भी रिमूव करता है, इन्फेक्शंस भी हटाता है, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली गुड in protecting your skin against the UV rays. So it acts as a sunscreen also. So that's really good. That's all, guys. बाल भी बहुत चंगे हो गए हैं. Beautiful angel. So how's it? It's looking very nourished and healthy hair. It's yummy. That's all, guys. You can just Google the benefits of argan oil and also of desi ghee on your skin, on your on your hair, on your scalp as well. डैंड्रफ भी खत्म हो जाता है. नहीं होगा तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं होगा, बट अगर आपके हेयर में कुछ डैंड्रफ है तो भी फिनिश ऑफ हो जाएगा. वैसे डैंड्रफ्स वगैरह ना ज़्यादातर सर्दियों में ही पड़ता है. गर्मियों में वी कीप ऑन वॉशिंग आवर हेयर एन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, तो इसलिए नहीं होता है. अदरवाइज इट्स गुड. ट्राई इट ऑन योर स्किन एंड देन यू सी द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इट. एंड आर्गन ऑयल ना प्योर वाला यूज़ करना, मिलावट बड़ी आती है ना आजकल. ਜਿਹੜਾ मैं मंगाया सी ना, मैं मंगाया सी दुबई तो बिल्कुल प्योर सीगा, मीन्स सामने बना के दे रहे थे. ओके, चलो, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.